Hiccup discovery of a hidden chamber in a pyramid. Welcome back, guys, into my new story of today on my This Cinema channel. Let's start it. Hiccup had read about ancient Viking explorers who traveled far beyond Burke, but he never expected to follow in their footsteps until he found an old weathered map hidden in the back of the great hall. The map depicted a strange land with towering pyramids unlike anything in the barbaric archipelago. Intrigued, Hiccup, Astrid, and Toothless set off on an expedition following the map's clues. After days of travel, they arrived in a vast desert where a massive pyramid stood, half buried in the sand. Strange carvings of dragons and Viking ships covered its surface. This is not make sense. Muttered. Vikings never built pyramids. As they explored to Toothless suddenly growled at a large stone slab. Hiccup ran his fingers along his edge, feeling a faint indentation with Astrid's help. He pushed against it, and the slab slid open, revealing a dark passageway. Inside, the air was thick with dust, and the walls were covered in ancient ruins. At the center of the chamber stood a massive dragon statue with glowing gemstones for eyes. Hiccup stepped closer and noticed something incredible: a second map carved into the floor, depicting not just Burke but lands far beyond any Viking knowledge. This could rewrite history. Astrid whispered. Suddenly, the ground trembled, and hidden mechanisms began to move. Traps activated, and the chamber started collapsing. Hiccup grabbed the map, and they rushed out just in time. As the entrance sealed shut, he looked down at the map in his hands. This was never just a pyramid. He realized it was a message from a lost civilization connected to dragons. And so another adventure had just begun. Bye for now.